Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to change language on Crunchyroll account. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Open up your Crunchyroll application to get started. Also, log into your account if necessary. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner. This will open up my account settings page. Under preferences, you can change the audio language and the subtitle language from Crunchyroll. To change the audio language, tap on audio language option and select the language of your preference from the multitudes of language displayed on the screen. Tap on the language you'd want to change to and select your audio language, and then go back by tapping the arrow at the top left. You can also change your subtitle language by tapping on the subtitle/CC language. Select your subtitle from the list, and after you are done with it, go get to the main homepage and start. After changing the language, you may need to refresh the page to see the interface and subtitles in your chosen language. Simply go ahead and select a show and play it in order to see the language change. That is how you can easily change language on Crunchyroll account. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.